Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent this made to teach tote bag from 84 Hoods in exchange for my honest review. This tote bag has this cute made to teach on the front and back. On the front here, it has a zipper compartment, so I can open it up, and this is a great spot to hold keys, cell phone, anything like that. And then here on the inside, we've got another compartment here. And then on the other side is a zippered compartment to hold items. This bag is water resistant, which is always a plus, especially being around kiddos, but it holds up to a 15-inch computer. So here, this is a legal size envelope, and I can stick this in here. I've got my 15-inch laptop, and I can simply pull up the top and zip it. It's got the handles here. I can put it on my side, and off I go. What I love about this bag is it's reusable. And so this is gonna make a great gift. Tomorrow is my daughter's teacher's birthday. And what I wanna do is I wanna gift this bag and make it a cute little gift bag that she can use time and time again to take her work home if she chooses, in a cute stylish bag. So I've gathered up some of the teacher's favorite things, and I'm simply going to make a care basket that's gonna be a hit. I've now made a fun little gift basket that can be used time and time again. With the holiday season here, I definitely want to make sure I take care of our teachers. I'm the PTO president, and I know how hard our teachers work, and so I always want to make sure that when I'm giving gifts, they are actually practical. This bag is going to do just that. So I hope you found the review helpful.